Hello everyone. We see these road signs every day. They guide us, protect us, and make our roads safer. Nothing has really changed in decades. The colors, the shapes, the symbols, everything is familiar. But what if we look ahead to the year 2100? Let's take a look at what road signs of the future might look like. In today's world, drones are everywhere. They film breathtaking landscapes, deliver packages, monitor traffic, inspect power lines, and even help in rescue missions. As drone technology keeps evolving, the sky is becoming just as busy as the roads below. Delivery drones zip between skyscrapers, while larger transport drones carry goods, and sometimes even people, across smart cities. But with thousands of flying machines sharing urban airspace, safety becomes a real concern. That's why, in the year 2100, this new warning sign appears, the low-flying drones zone. It alerts ground vehicles and pedestrians to areas where drones frequently operate close to the surface. The sign uses bright red holographic light to make sure it's visible in any weather, and it constantly updates through an AI-controlled air traffic network. A simple but essential reminder: look up, the future isn't just on the road anymore. By the year 2100, human driving will be a rare skill, maybe even a hobby. Most vehicles on the road will be fully autonomous, guided by AI navigation systems that communicate with each other in real time. This futuristic sign marks an autonomous vehicle zone, where only self-driving cars are allowed to enter. Each sign is connected to the global road network, sending live data about traffic flow, speed, and nearby obstacles. The holographic display glows in calm blue, a symbol of precision and safety. It doesn't just warn drivers, it talks to their vehicles, adjusting the route automatically to prevent congestion or accidents. In the world of tomorrow, cars no longer follow signs, the signs follow the cars. Imagine a highway that powers your car as you drive. No charging stops, no cables, just seamless motion. That's the idea behind the wireless charging zone, one of the most revolutionary systems of the future. Beneath the road surface, thousands of induction coils transfer energy directly to electric vehicles in motion. The glowing turquoise sign marks these smart lanes, and AI ensures energy is distributed efficiently between all connected cars. It's more than a road sign, it's a promise that mobility in 2100 is clean, continuous, and completely wireless. The future of driving never runs out of charge. Roads of the future will no longer be silent asphalt. They'll be alive, intelligent, and aware. The adaptive road sign is one of the most advanced creations of 2100. It changes its shape, color, and symbols automatically depending on the weather and traffic conditions. When fog rolls in, it glows with bright orange light. When it rains, it warns of slippery surfaces. When snow falls, it displays temperature and traction alerts, all in real time. Powered by embedded sensors and a direct connection to the global weather network, this sign keeps drivers informed before danger even appears. It's not just a sign, it's a guardian on every futuristic highway. In the next century, our cities won't just be shared with humans. Service robots will deliver food, clean streets, guide tourists, and even assist the elderly. To protect them, the robot pedestrian crossing was introduced, a sign that warns drivers about zones where autonomous robots move around freely. The symbol looks simple, a friendly humanoid crossing the road, but it carries a new kind of meaning. Caution, mechanical pedestrians ahead! The sign communicates directly with robotic systems, syncing traffic lights and predicting movement patterns. In 2100, this sign stands as proof that life, even robotic life, deserves safe passage. Each of these signs tells a story of innovation, adaptation, and imagination. They remind us that technology doesn't just change how we move, it changes how we think about movement. From autonomous cars to robot pedestrians, the future of traffic isn't about control, it's about connection. So next time you see a road sign, remember, it's not just a symbol. It's a window into the world that's coming. See you soon.